Welcome to another video everyone. In this video, I will be unboxing the Razer Viper V2 Pro. This is a premium wireless mouse from Razer. And in this video, I will be unboxing it, will be showing you what exactly comes inside the box. And I will be giving you my impressions about this product. So I got this for around 11,500 rupees here in India, which equates to somewhere around 150 US dollars. This is a pretty expensive gaming mouse, but it offers a lot of features that no other gaming mouse offers in the market right now. It weighs just 59 grams and it has a battery life of 80 hours on a single charge. So this is really impressive. I have used this mouse previously with a friend of mine. He has been using it for the past 6 months and he really liked it. I tried it and I also liked it, so I ordered it for myself too. So this one is using the Razer optical mouse switches, which says Gen 3 switches, and we have this little dongle on which we can plug we have this USB extension cable along with this small adapter thing in which we can just plug the adapter, and we are going to get wireless range right in front of the mouse. That is going to make the connection a lot stronger in comparison to if you are going to plug the adapter onto your motherboard and then you are going to game. That is going to give you a little bit of a latency bump, and we don't want that. So I think this is a really good move from Razer. They included this cable and this little extension thing in which you can just plug the adapter and use the mouse like that. So this one is the white one. I was actually a little confused about the color, but ultimately I went with this. So now what I will be doing is I will be just unboxing this and will show you the contents. So this is, I guess, the most expensive mouse that I have ever bought. The previous most expensive mouse that I had was, I guess, the Razer Death Adder Elite, for which I paid around, I guess, 5600 rupees initially when it launched. Wow, this looks really amazing. I really like it. Really lightweight and a very compact mouse. I'm just going to take this mouse right in front of the microphone so that you can hear how the click sounds. This is the scroll wheel and these are the side buttons. So as far as my first impressions are concerned, this looks really good and it feels really good in the hand too. I think this even feels better than the Razer Death Adder that I have been using for the past 2 years. And yeah, I really like this product. So let's have a look at what else comes inside the box. So as I mentioned, we have this little dongle thing. And in this box, there is going to be a USB cable that is going to plug right into this end of the dongle, and the other end is going to get plugged into the PC or the laptop computer if you are using that. So let's just open this box and have a look at what comes inside. And this is really nice. This is a very beautiful white braided cable. And the attention to detail here is actually quite incredible. We even have some rubber covers over the USB Type-C and the Type-A cable. As usual, the green Razer cables, the USB elements in the cable looks pretty nice. As of now, I'm going to just plug these covers back on, and later I'm going to remove it once I want to just plug this into my computer. So in order to use this mouse, you can place this right in front of your mouse pad and just connect this cable right here and the other end to your PC, and that is going to give the product and the uh, wireless receiver the absolute best connection possible, which translates into some really amazing wireless performance. I used this mouse previously, as I mentioned, with a friend of mine, and I was really blown away with how well it was performing. There was no latency or any input lag that I could feel. Being a wireless mouse, this felt really good. So I ultimately bought it. I'm now going to just get this thing plugged into my PC, and then I'm going to share the impressions then I'm going to share my thoughts about it. And before I forget, I think there are few more contents that I need to check out from this box. I guess this is going to be just some documents that I have been seeing. So we have, I guess, some side grips. These are the side grips, I guess, but I'm not sure about these grips. Where do these go? Oh yeah, these go on the mouse clicks itself. So I think this is going to give me a really good grip, and I'm going to make sure to just apply these. So this is all the product comes with. We have, I guess, the message from the co-founder, CEO, and the creative director, and usual stuff, the manual and a little Razer sticker that I have been seeing in these Razer products for about a decade now, but I haven't used any one of these. I'm not a fan of using these stickers, but Razer is kind enough to include these all the time. So this is all I have for you in this video. This was just a little unboxing that I wanted to do on this very premium wireless gaming mice that I recently bought. Thank you very much for tuning in. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to mention them down in the comment section, and I'm going to talk to you in an upcoming video.